in real world engineering, beyond the hype and the excitement of a new technology, it comes down to making things work and making things work in an efficient and frugal way. So if we take a look at Claude 3.5 Sonnet from a performance perspective, it's amazing. And in this particular prompt here, I was able to get a reproducible Rust demo example with exactly the comments and the cargo run command. It looks amazing. On the flip side, if we look at the Claude 3 Haiku here, we can see that, there's some missing problems. The formatting's a little messed up. And so in this case, we have only basic functionality. We're missing some things. The prompt needs some refinement. So this is a classic problem with engineering. And it's not even that much to do with generative AI, in that you always have these kinds of trade-offs that you have to do with engineering. And so one of the things that's important when you're using tools like Bedrock or using local tools like Ollama is to do these kinds of comparisons and make these trade-offs. What can I do to get the best performance for right now? And then can I slowly migrate this into a more efficient solution, a cheaper solution? Do I care about energy efficiency and reducing my carbon footprint? These are all things that we can consider when we're looking at different models. And this comparison here really shows, in a very small amount of code, some of the issues that can come up with choosing between a premium model and a faster but cheaper model.